Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can change your active status to Do Not Disturb on Skype. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Skype app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, you can see the option of Away. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Do Not Disturb. Tap on it. Next, tap on OK. So, this is how you can change your active status to Do Not Disturb on Skype. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.